Wow, question 11. So P stands for a multiple of 3. So that means it can be a number that's in the 3 times table. Q also stands for a multiple of 3. It's a different number in the 3 times table. And we want to know whether, from these 3 statements, whether they are always true, no matter what the value of P and Q is. Sometimes will they be true, or are they never true? So we're going to start with the second one first, because that's quite easy if we think about it. It says that the difference between P and Q is a multiple of 3. Well, we're just talking about numbers in the 3 times table, and they're all multiples of 3, so that's always true. If we look at the first one here, we're going to try and see some examples to work that one out. 6 is a multiple of 3, and that's going to be Q, and I'm going to add it together to 9. If I add 6 and 9, I get the answer 15. Are they a multiple of 6? No. Let's try a different one. Let's try 12 plus 30. So I'm letting P be 12 and Q be 30. Add them together, I get 42. Is 42 a multiple of 6? Yes, it's the answer to 7 times 6. So in one example it wasn't true. In another example it was true. So in the box we're going to say that this is sometimes true. Now, the last one is a little bit harder to understand. That's this one here, about the product of P and Q and whether it's a multiple of 9. The product is the answer you get when you multiply 2 numbers together. So let's use one of these examples here. I'm going to use 6 plus 9. And instead of 6 plus 9, I'm going to do 6 multiplied by 9. Well, that equals 54. And 54 is a multiple of 9. And we're going to see why it would be always true. 6 is made up of 2 times 3. And 9 is made up of 3 times 3. And if I actually look, I've got a 3 here and a 3 here. If I multiply those together, it's 9. How many lots of 9 have I got? Well, it's this 2 times this 3, which is 6. 6 lots of 9 is 54. And any multiples of 3, 6 here and 9, we could change it to different examples. We'd be able to write it out in the same way and see we'd always get a multiple of 9. So that's always true too.